लाइन है कौन सा देखिए प्लेट वाला है छोटा प्लेट वाला है upload in YouTube.
YouTube and Instagram. Keep like this.
लेमन एट्ला उన్నా तीन बार में आ जाना मटन मार्केट ओके फ्राइड ऑनियन ओके फ्राइड ऑनियन $1. Hi, here we are Shai Season Healthcare Halim. We are here since 2010. It's been 15 years for us right now, and our prices have been varied from a one plate block of 120 chicken and 220 mutton, and this one is 220 chicken and 400 mutton, 400 chicken and 800 mutton.
Your timings?
The timings are from 4:30 to night 12 to 1 o'clock.
Past how many years you are selling?
We are here since 15 years.
16 years.
We are here located in SR Nagar BK Guda Park, just opposite to Ellamma Temple Lane. Thank you.